Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how long does it take to charge the DJI Mic Mini. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a DJI Mic Mini and you tend to use it a lot. How long does it actually take to charge? Now, it depends on what piece of the DJI Mic Mini you're referring to. The first thing that you have is the DJI Mic Mini transmitter, which is this piece here and the identical piece over here. Now, the transmitters take around 90 minutes to actually go ahead and charge, which is fairly fast in my opinion. Then you have the DJI Mic Mini receiver, which is this one right here. And this takes about 100 minutes to actually go ahead and charge. This right here is the receiver. Now, you also have the DJI Mic Mini charging case, and the charging case is about 2 hours charging time. So I hope this helps answer the question, how long does it take for the DJI Mic Mini to go ahead and charge? If you guys have a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.